Okay, I decided after looking at 3 additional practice, I was going to go ahead and talk to you about a few of those worksheets, or questions, excuse me. I don't think they're difficult. I just don't want you to look at it and feel overwhelmed. So I'm going to go ahead and explain just a couple of the problems. Okay, the first one, I just want you to know that for the first section up here, using the triangle sum theorem is what's going to help you. So I look at number 1 and they tell me this angle is 92 degrees, this one is 63 degrees, and this one is x degrees. All we need to do here is take 180 degrees and subtract off these two. So again, the angles of a triangle add up to be 180 degrees. So that's how quickly you can find that one. The same for 2, same for 3. Now, look at number 4. 4 looks, it might be a little more complicated. It's really not. We just have to find x, y, and z. So let's start with x. When we have 2 of the 3, we do the same thing we did for 1, 2, and 3. Take 85 plus 28 and we get x, and subtract it from 180 and we get x. Now, I know that x and y is forming a straight angle. Those two together, therefore they're going to equal 180 degrees. So if I take 180 minus what we found out x to be, that will tell you y. Now, finding y, let's take a look at this. Y plus 15 plus z is going to equal 180 degrees. So take 180 minus y and minus 15, and that gives you your answers for that one. I think what I'll go ahead and do is give you the answers for that so you can check your work. So when I take 180 minus 28 and 85, I find out that x equals 67 degrees. Now, x and y equal 180. It's a half circle or a straight angle, however you want to think about it. So 180 minus 67 means y equals 113. In z, take 180 minus the y, which was 113, and minus the 15 that's given there, and we find out that z equals 52. Now, that should help you with 5 and 6. Let's look at the next section. Down here, we have 7 through 12. With 7, these are exterior angles, 7 through 12. So you're going to follow the rule of, for example, number 7, x equals whatever 70 plus 38 equals, because those are the two remote interior angles. And you're going to do the same thing for numbers 8 and 9. And 10, they give us the exterior angle, and they want us to find x, which is one of the remote interior angles. So what you're going to do here is you're going to take your exterior angle, 81, and you're going to subtract one of the interior angles that you're given, 19, and that's going to tell you what's left for x. So in this case, 81 minus 19 is 62. So no matter what happens, whether or not you're looking for the exterior angle measure like you were up in these 3, or if you're looking for the interior angle measure as if you were here, but you're given the exterior, the rule still applies. X plus 19 equals 81, and you can solve it. Or you can take 81 minus 19 and get x. So here, same thing. 115, they're giving you the exterior. You have to find this interior. So x plus 41 equals 115, or you can take 115 minus 41. And the same for 12. Now I'm going to move it up just a little bit for you for the bottom. I'm not going to help you with all of these, but I do want to talk about a couple things. To find A, you're going to have to know that A plus 35 plus 112 is 180 degrees and solve it. Okay? B, or C, again, we have a little triangle here. So 71 plus 43 plus C is 880 degrees. Now, whenever you take A, B, and C, we have 2 things we can do. This is an exterior angle. So adding the 2 interior remote will give you an answer for B, or knowing that all 3 of these add up to be 180 degrees, because again, there's your half circle or your straight angle. So that's how you can find the measure for that. Okay, I hope that helped. And again, let me know if you have any questions.